Stop scrolling. This AI website is paying people up to $200 per day, and hardly anyone's talking about it. This AI website literally pays you up to $200 a day. And no, it's not ChatGPT or any tool you've already seen. What I'm about to show you is completely new, and people are using it right now to make real money online. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't even need editing skills. All you need is a free browser and a little bit of creativity. I tested this myself, and honestly, the results blew my mind. Just to give you an idea, there are people charging between $50 to $200 per project using this AI tool. The best part? Each project takes less than 10 minutes to create once you know the process. I'll reveal the name in just a second. But first, let me show you what it can actually do. Imagine this. You type a short sentence, click one button, and an AI actor speaks your words perfectly, like a real human. You can make ads, explainers, YouTube intros, product promos, literally anything. Okay, ready to see what it is? The website is called HeyGen.com, and this thing is next level insane. It uses AI avatars and text-to-speech to create professional spokesperson videos in minutes. No camera, no mic, no editing. You just type your text and click generate. That's it. Now here's how people are cashing in. They use HeyGen to make these videos for Fiverr, Upwork, or YouTube clients. Each video sells for anywhere between $50 to $200, and they make multiple videos per day. And here's a bonus trick. Combine HeyGen with ElevenLabs.io for more natural AI voices, or with Pictory AI to turn long scripts into full-length YouTube videos. This combo can help you scale your entire content creation business. We're living in a time where AI can literally replace hours of hard work with one click. The people who learn how to use these tools today are the ones who'll dominate tomorrow. So stop scrolling. Start building your AI hustle today. If you want me to test more AI websites that can make you money like this, comment next AI tool below. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to grow with AI. And remember, don't work hard, work smart with AI Hustle Hub.